If Photopea is slowing down or showing not enough RAM errors, the first thing to know is that you cannot directly give Photopea more physical RAM, because Photopea runs inside your browser. But the good news is, you can still make a big difference in performance by freeing up browser memory, reducing the size of your project, and making sure your computer and browser are set up the right way. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to give Photopea more usable memory the smart way, so you can work faster and avoid lag. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tips just like this. Let's get into it. First, understand why this happens. Photopea processes your images, layers, and edits directly in the browser, which means it depends heavily on the memory available in that browser window. So if you have a huge canvas, a lot of layers, too many tabs open, or extensions running in the background, Photopea can run out of memory very quickly. That is why the goal is not to assign more RAM manually, but to remove the things that are eating it up. The first and most effective thing you can do is reduce your canvas size or image dimensions. If your file is extremely large, Photopea has to load and manage every pixel, and that can use a huge amount of memory. To do this, go up to Image, then choose Image Size, and check whether your document is larger than it really needs to be. If you're working on a web graphic, social media design, or a digital project, you usually do not need a massive ultra-high resolution canvas. Scaling down from something like 10,000 pixels wide to a more practical size can instantly improve performance. If your project is meant for digital use, you can also lower the DPI. For many online designs, 72 DPI or 150 DPI is more than enough. Keeping your file lighter reduces the amount of memory Photopea needs, which can stop lag and prevent crashes. Next, take a look at your browser itself, because this is where a lot of the memory is being lost. Browsers often cap how much memory one site can use, and that limit can become a problem with large edits. One of the easiest fixes is closing unused tabs. Every open tab uses resources in the background, even if you are not actively looking at it. If you want Photopea to perform better, keep only the tabs you really need open. The fewer tabs running, the more memory your browser can dedicate to Photopea. Another great trick is to use a clean browser session. Open an Incognito or private window by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and N on Windows or Command, Shift, and N on a Mac. This gives you a fresh browsing session with fewer distractions and often disables extensions that may be using memory in the background. If you normally have many browser extensions installed, one of them could be slowing Photopea down without you realizing it. A private window is a quick way to test whether that is the problem. You can also switch browsers if needed. Some people get better performance in Firefox, while others prefer Chrome or Edge, depending on their system. If Photopea feels sluggish in one browser, try another streamlined browser and compare the results. Sometimes, a simple browser change can make a noticeable difference in speed and stability. Another important step is enabling hardware acceleration. This allows your browser to use your graphics card to help with demanding visual tasks instead of relying only on the CPU. In Chrome or Edge, go to Settings, then System, and turn on Use Graphics Acceleration when available. After enabling it, restart the browser so the change can take effect. For image editing tasks, hardware acceleration can improve responsiveness and reduce lag, especially on larger projects. If you are working with a very complex file, also think about how your layers are structured. Every layer adds memory usage, and projects with lots of high-resolution layers, smart objects, and effects can become heavy very fast. Try flattening layers you no longer need to edit, merging copies when appropriate, or splitting a huge project into separate files. That way, Photopea has less to process at once. In some cases, you may also want to save a backup version before making major changes, so you can always return to the layered version later. If you are still running into memory issues after all of that, then the limitation may simply be your hardware. In that case, upgrading your computer's RAM or using a machine with a stronger GPU can help, but for most users, the browser optimization steps I showed you are enough to make Photopea feel much smoother. So, to quickly recap, you cannot directly add RAM to Photopea, but you can make it run much better by shrinking large canvases, lowering DPI when possible, closing unused tabs, using incognito mode, trying another browser, and turning on hardware acceleration. These simple fixes can save you a lot of frustration and help you keep working without constant slowdowns. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more practical software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.